Hi there, students. Lisp. A verb, to lisp. A lisp, a noun, a countable noun. Okay, to lisp is a speech disorder. A person who has a lisp pronounces the sounds S and Z like TH. So they would say thing instead of sing, or phone instead of zone. Okay, it's a speech disorder. Luckily, lisps can nearly always be treated, and it's not something permanent. You could also use this word lisp, or even lisping as an adjective, to talk about something that has this sound. For example, in Spanish, if you see CI or CE in Spanish, these two sounds need to be lisped. They need to you need to give them a TH sound. And I would say, for example, the accent in the south of Spain is a very lisping accent. Yeah, they use this phrase a lot. Now, you could also call a lisp Sigmatism. Okay, this is a posh medical name for it, or a speech therapist's name for it. And Sigmatism, it's the same. Sigmatism means a difficulty in producing S and Z sounds. Okay, so a lisp, it's a speech defect, or even it can be a mannerism as well, by pronouncing the sounds S and Z as TH. I guess you could also use this word describing a particular sound. So the lisping sound of the carpenter's plane, yeah, and you could use it like that as well. But you've got to find something that has the same sound. Okay. Okay, so a lisp. This is a speech impediment. Okay, so when people lisp, they sound strange. Let's see, do you know the cartoon Tweety Pie and Sylvester? There's a cat, Sylvester, and he's always trying to catch the old lady's cat, Tweety Pie. Well, Sylvester has a lisp, yeah? So he says that his name is Sylvester, yeah? And this is one that you will a character you will find. Okay, so to lisp, to pronounce the Z and the S sound as if it were a TH. Okay, let's see, formality, a lisp, to lisp. If you're talking about a person's speech, then 5 in formality, use it anywhere. I think if you use the lisping sound of the plane, or maybe the lisping sound of gas escaping, this to me sounds rather literary. I think I'd probably give it a 6.5. like that, although it sounds quite good. As to origin, let's see, in Old English, Wilspan is the Old English word from meaning to lisp, and I guess it's probably imitative in origin. Lisp, Willisp. Yeah, okay. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Lisp.